Yeah, it's hard to talk to people you don't know, right? It's okay. Come. I got you. Come with me. Come. Alright, today I'm gonna be showing you a few ways not to be shy and awkward around strangers. Alright, the first way is gonna be don't overthink what you're gonna say. And I know you may say, Ryan, you've said don't overthink so many times in these videos. And yeah, that's what we need to stop doing, is overthinking, because when you overthink, basically it's like tripping yourself on purpose when you do it that way. But think about this. If you allow yourself to flow naturally and not think about it at all and just let it flow, you'll be okay. So it's like this. When you talk to a friend, do you have to think about every word you're gonna say to that person? Or are you like, just flow like a river? Just go. Just talk. Most likely, 9 times out of 10, it's the second one. So why can't we do the same thing with strangers and friends? Because as humans, we're social by nature, and over time we've learned to not be, or lean less toward the side of not being as social. So we tend to overthink what we're gonna do, what we're gonna say in these situations. But if you can get yourself to stop overthinking and stop overanalyzing every word that you're gonna say, or even trying to be perfect, trying to say the perfect line, the perfect phrase, say it the perfect way. Perfect doesn't exist. Let's go ahead and kill that myth right now. But at the end of the day, just try your best not to overthink. But if you have a hard time not overthinking, check out this video right here. I go over one quick and easy way you can stop overthinking. You can use it every time you're about to talk to somebody new. Or if you feel those thoughts coming in, you're like, hey, let me go ahead and squash these thoughts, and then boom, you're good. Go from there. Alright, the next way is going to be something I came up with myself. I call it bullet point intentions. Yes, you know how when you're in school and you do a presentation, but with the presentation, you got 2 options. You can go off of a word-to-word script, or you can use bullet points and go by those. Picture this. Let's say you see a person you want to talk to. Let's name this person Billy. Alright, you see Billy. Billy's a cool looking dude, right? You have no idea what to say to Billy or what to talk about, or you're just looking at it like, okay, you're thinking, then you know what you think, then you start to freak out. But as you're freaking out, what you think about this? Bullet point intentions are exactly what it is. Instead of thinking about the words you're going to say, think about a specific thing, but don't think about the words you're going to say. You think about that specific thing. For example, let's say I see Billy at the grocery store, and Billy's in the cooking aisle. So I'm going to assume that Billy's a cook. The bullet point I'll put up would be cooking. So instead of word for word what I'm going to talk about, I'll say, okay, I'm going to go talk to Billy about cooking. You can ask him a question or tell him something about cooking or anything along that nature. But with the bullet point intention, instead of overthinking, you just put forth something you want to talk about or something on your mind, so you don't have to go word for word with it. And you can just basically go off of that simply put. But this can go for talking to strangers, talking to friends, presentations, YouTube scripts like I do mine, exactly like that, versus going word for word. Speaking of bullet point intentions, let's go on to the next one. The next one's going to be, ask yourself, what would you do if you weren't shy or awkward in that situation? What's going to happen? Your brain's going to be like, okay, what would we do if we weren't shy or awkward? What's going to happen? It's going to bring you the scenario in your mind, and you know what you need to do? Whatever comes to mind, do it. Except if it's crazy, insane, or may get you in trouble, do not do it. Refrain from that. Stay away from that. And don't say Ryan told me to do it, because I kind of halfway told you to do it, and I kind of halfway told you to don't do it. So I'll take half the blame if you do something crazy, okay? But don't do nothing crazy. Leave that where it is. Let that be. But with this, it'll help you get into that state of mind of what you need to do to get out of that shy feeling and not feel awkward as well. And it'll also boost your confidence after you have that conversation with that person. So you can be like, okay, I did it one time. Cool. If I can do it once, I can do it twice. If I can do it twice, I can do it 3 times. If I can do it 3 times, I can do it 100 times. And then you go from there. The next reason is going to be, don't try to be somebody you're not. I know you've heard that term, fake it till you make it, every freaking where. But I'm here to tell you, it doesn't work long term. Fake it till you make it. It's the same thing as trying to be an actor 24/7 or trying to be an actor in that moment. Imagine an actor going on set, playing the role, but as they go off set, they stay in character every day, all day. So I'm guilty of it. I've done it before. You know, when you go try to be like somebody you're not, knowing that's not you. And over time, your true self comes out and they see through who you were trying to be, knowing that wasn't you. So when it comes to trying to talk to somebody, be yourself. And if you feel like they may not like you, don't assume it. Just talk to the person if you want to talk to them. If they don't like you, that's okay. That means at that moment in time it wasn't meant to be. But if you try to be somebody for somebody else to like you, it's going to turn out bad every single time, trust me. Or you're going to end up changing identities to fit what that person wants you to be if it's not your true self, because they don't like the true you. They like that fake version of you that you created. Hey, let me ask you this. After watching this video and getting these tips, do you think you'd be shy after trying any of these tips in this video? Drop a comment down in the section below, and I'd love to hear what you guys think so I can keep making more content like this. We can go from there. Hey, if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. But before you leave, share this video with somebody that's shy around strangers or awkward around strangers and don't know what to do. And also check out one of the 2 videos on screen. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care.